All right, so here's what we're looking at. We have a fountain base, and as you can see, it actually eroded. Okay, that basically comes from where the water has been sitting there in the wintertime, and it freezes and it cracked the bottom of the fountain. So today's objective, as you can see, I had turned around and cleaned off all the loose debris that's on it. Okay, I'm gonna use some of this concrete bonding adhesive, and once I finish with that, I'm gonna pretty much just brush that on like paint, and then I'm gonna use some hydraulic cement. This stuff here works in within 3 to 5 minutes. It's hard, so that's gonna seal up this bottom base here to be able to hold the water. All right, and then the next thing, I had to build that base there. That's also eroded, so I got me 2 flower pots, one for the outside diameter and one for the inside pump. All right, I'll load up another video when I get to the other part. Thank you for watching. All right, so here what we have, we zero bond everything. That's the white milk that you see coming down through here. That's actually a glue to be able to make the new concrete to bond to the old. So we're getting ready to mix some of this hydraulic cement and start filling up. All right, here's what we have. We finished doing the bottom base, which is this piece here. We did hydraulic cement and fixed it. We also did the second base brand new. The other one got eroded, so I turned around, I casted the new one. And I also made the little pump house, which is right there, and I have my pump on there. All right, and at the same time, we painted her up. We also cleaned the bottom of it completely, pulled out all the gravels out and redid that. And there's my old base right there. Okay, you can see that it's eroded as well too. The bottom of the base of the flower, that was cracked just as bad as that there. And as you can see, it's all brand new. No leaks. Alright, that's what we have. If you guys have any questions or anything, y'all know how to hit me up. Thank you for watching.